Hi guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Kottayam city with the cheapest booking codes so you can get the best hotel at the best price. The Hotel Aida is first up on our list. This is one of the 3-star hotels, very popular amongst the tourists, which is just 10 minutes away from the city centre. The hotel has a bar, an in-house restaurant, a coffee shop, as well as a tour desk where you can plan your day tours. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious. They are priced at about 2,300 to 3,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. We have also attached the links in our description below. The Hotel Arcadia is next up on our list. This is one of the 3-star hotels located right in the city centre. It is very close by to all the tourist spots. It is an extremely great choice for accommodation. This hotel has a swimming pool, a bar, an in-house restaurant, as well as a coffee shop. The hotel also provides airport transfers at an additional cost. The rooms here are priced at about 2,200 rupees onwards, and you can find the links in our description below. The Hotel Caesar Palace is next up on our list. This is a 4-star hotel which is a great choice of stay for tourists as well as someone visiting for business. This hotel provides with a business center as well as meeting rooms. The hotel also provides airport transfers at an additional cost. This hotel has a bar, an in-house restaurant, a tour desk, and also provides barbecue facilities. They also have an option of family rooms with a private terrace. Now the different categories of rooms here available are priced at about 3,600 rupees and goes up to 8,000 rupees depending upon the category of room selection. Hill Heights is next up on our list. This is a 4-star luxury business hotel. This hotel provides services like an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. It also has a tour desk facilities where you can plan your day tours. It also has a souvenir shop as well as a family room. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious. They are priced at about 3,000 rupees onwards, and you can find the links in our description below. The Hotel Indraprastha is next up on our list. This is a 4-star hotel which is ideal for business as well as leisure. It is one of the hotels which is value for money. It is also the only hotel in Kottayam which has a lovely rooftop swimming pool. The hotel has a multi-cuisine restaurant, a coffee shop, a lounge as well as a bar. It also has a gift shop and a shopping area inside the hotel. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 4,000 rupees which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the category of room you select. If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. The Windsor Castle and Lake Village Ayurvedic Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the 4-star leisure and heritage resorts. This resort is set against the backdrop of the beautiful Kodu River and limitless backwaters and the beautiful sunsets. This resort has an outdoor swimming pool, a salon, a fitness center, a bar, a poolside bar, as well as an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. This resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 2,500 rupees goes up to 5,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. We have also attached the links in our description below. The Nico Hotels is next up on our list. This is one of the business class luxury hotels which provides a standard pricing throughout the year. The hotel also offers free cancellation. It is also one of the only hotels which comes with a promise of assured amenities and money back guarantee. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and they are priced at about 2,000 rupees onwards, and you can also enjoy a complimentary breakfast along with your room selection. The SFS Tranquil 7A is next up on our list. This is a 3-bedroom luxury apartment situated right in the city centre which makes it accessible to all the city centre points. This apartment comes very well equipped with a kitchen, a microwave, a fridge, a television, and also a private bathroom in each and every bedroom. It also has a balcony terrace as well as a garden. The apartment here is priced at about 6,700 rupees onwards, and you can find the links in our description below. The Sparrow Vale Resort is next up on our list. This is the ideal location for bird lovers and nature lovers of all the ages. This resort provides you with a 1-bedroom villa accommodation with a private pool and also access to a garden. The villa is priced at about 2,900 rupees onwards, and you can find the links in our description below. The last one on our list is the Backwater Heritage Homestay. This homestay is conveniently located in Kottayam, wherein you can enjoy and explore the vibrant city. This homestay is surrounded by a beautiful garden as well as the backwaters where you can enjoy the water sports. This homestay is surrounded by a beautiful garden as well as the backwaters where you can enjoy the water sports like boating and canoeing. This homestay provides quality accommodation which is priced at around 1,800 rupees onwards, and you can find the links in our description below. That's it from us guys. This is the top best hotels in Kottayam city. We hope we've helped you select the best hotel for your stay. This is Divya from Madina Travel signing off. We wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye bye.